This is the microscopic view for Cycas leaflet. The leaflet of Cycas generally shows some xerophytic characteristics like the presence of the sunken stomata and the presence of cuticle above epidermis layer. And here we can clearly see a presence of centric vascular bundle. The vascular bundle have the presence of the diploxylic xylem, that is a xylem are of two types, centrifugal and centripetal, and upper and lower epidermis can be easily seen. Below here, the plates-like structure are also present above the vascular bundle. These plates-like structure are the parenchymatous cells, which are of the palisade or the plate-like structure. So here the parenchyma is differentiated as spongy and palisade. So this differentiation is a characteristic feature for the leaflet of Cycas. Though this characteristic difference cannot be seen in case of pinus because there only the mesophyll cells are seen, not the palisade structure are found there.